Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss method overloading in Java. In method overloading, a class contains multiple methods with same name but different parameters. There are two ways to overload the method in Java. First is by changing the number of arguments and second is by changing the data types. Let's see with practical. Here I am going to use the Eclipse as IDE and then click on the file, new, and take a Java project. Here we need to write my project name and simply I am giving my project name as a method overloading and click on the next and finish. Okay. My project is displayed under Package Explorer and simply I explore my project, method overloading, and then right click on the SRC, take a new class. A dialog box will display here and simply need here to write my class name and simply I am write my class name as a class 1 and then check the public static void main method stub and then click on the finish. My class is successfully created here with the main method and I am going to again right click on the SRC and then new, take a class e-class, and I left the public static void main method because I have already taken the main method in class 1, so I simply click on the finish. Okay, and here I am going to use the first types, means by changing the number of arguments. This is the first way by which we can overload the method, and simply I am going to create a method public in sum and passing two arguments x and y and return x plus y and terminated with semicolon. And I am again going to create the sum method and passing three arguments and return x plus y plus z terminated with semicolon and save it. Look here, the class A contains two methods and their name as the same, sum, and parameters are different, means the number of arguments are different. Save it, come inside the class 1 and create the object of the A class, A obj equal new A, and creating a variable s1 equal calling the obj.sum method and passing the argument 20 and 10 terminated with semicolon, and s2 equal obj.sum and passing three argument 10 and 20 terminated with semicolon, and then system dot out dot println and simply write here s1 plus space and plus s2. Okay, and save it. I am again going to right click on the SRC folder, click on the new and take a class, simply and write here the B class and click on the finish. Within the B class, here I am going to use the second type by changing the data types. Okay, and here I am going to create a method public and sub passing two argument x and y and return x minus y, turn it into semicolon, and then public double sum and double x comma double y, press enter, and return x minus y, turn it into semicolon, and save it. Look here, the B class contain two methods, sub, their name are same, and parameter also same, but their data types are different. In the first sub method, x and y, their data type is a int, and the second sub method, their data type is a double and their return type also double. Okay, this is the second way, by changing the data types, and save it. Come inside the class 1 and simply creating here the object of the B class, obj equal new B, and creating a variable d1 equal obj dot sub, passing to argument 20 and 10, double obj equal obj dot sub and 20.5 and 10.5, terminated with semicolon, and here we need to write here d2. Okay, and system dot out dot println, write here the d1 plus, and then provide the space, and then d2. Okay, and save it. Here is getting error because I need to write my object name different from the object of the event class, and obj1 and 1. Okay, and save it, and simply I am writing the statement system dot out dot println. This is method overloading using or changing the number of argument, changing the number of argument. Okay, and copy it, paste here. Okay, and by changing the data types. Okay, by changing the number of argument, save it, and right click on your project, run it, Java application. Okay, my project launching here, and look here, this is the output of my project. This is method overloading by changing the number of argument 30, 20 plus 10, and 10 plus 10 plus 20, 40. Answer, this is method overloading by changing the data types 10 and 10.0. Okay, clear? Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot. one things in my project is that if you want to create the method sub also into the class A, but here I am separate the different way of changing the overloading the method in Java in separate classes. Okay, thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.